Here's how I make my pesto chicken and avocado bacon pasta salad. I like to start with the croutons, I toss them with olive oil, and then I just bake. Really simple. Now I toss the chicken with olive oil, pesto, red pepper flakes, and salt, and then just grill it up. Now let's make the dressing. It's olive oil, lemon juice, tahini, Worcestershire, Parmesan, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Boil off the pasta and toss it with that dressing. Now add in the cheddar, the pesto, chicken, croutons, lettuce, corn, bacon, and just toss that all to combine, and that is it. Really simple, you guys, but so delicious. It's one of my favorite pasta salads to serve up at picnics. Watermelon rosé is the perfect summer drink. So freeze the rosé into ice cube trays, then make watermelon juice with watermelon, lemon, rosemary, and a pinch of sugar if you'd like it. Then strain that mixture. What I like to do now is make some popsicles with a little bit of that watermelon juice, but save some of the watermelon juice for blending. Now make the rosé. You just blend those frozen ice cube trays with a little bit of that watermelon juice. Rim your glass in sugar. Trust me, it's delicious. And that's it, you guys. Serve these up in those sugar rim glasses. Add the popsicles if you made them and enjoyed. This is such a fun summer drink. Here's how you make my favorite pesto pizza with a feta cheese stuffed crust. First thing you want to do is mix up those fresh herbs and then mix the mozzarella with a little bit of feta cheese. Then toss that with the herbs and stuff it inside your pizza dough. Spread the pizza dough with pesto, add some olives if you want, top with lots of mozzarella and fontina cheese, add some roasted red peppers, some pepperonis, throw it all on there. Throw it in the pizza oven, bake until that cheese is nice and melty, pull it apart, and enjoy every thin slice of pizza. These 5-ingredient chocolate almond butter cookies are so easy, so delicious. They're almost like magic, so I use dates to bind them together. A little bit of almond butter, vanilla, and baking soda. Blend it all together in a food processor. Add a little bit of water to help the dough come together. Roll the dough into balls, flatten them down, and then I use a fork to make a crosshatch pattern on them. Bake those up and then dip them in melted chocolate as soon as they come out of the oven, or you could drizzle too. Either way, they're going to be so delicious with a little bit of sea salt on top. Let's make the easiest chocolate chunk banana bread mug cake. Grab a really brown banana, mash it up, mix it with an egg, some coconut oil, a little honey, and a little bit of vanilla. Stir in some flour, baking soda, some cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Then add lots and lots of chocolate chunks. Pour that batter into a mug. Throw the mug in the microwave for just a few minutes. 1 to 2 minutes is all you need. I like to add a drizzle of honey and break into that thing while it's warm. Let's make my creamy Thai turmeric chicken and noodles. First thing you want to do is toss the chicken with lots of turmeric. Sear that in the skillet, pull that out, then sear up some bok choy, and then pull that out as well. Next, all you need to do is add some curry paste to a skillet, add a little bit of coconut milk, let that all simmer together until the sauce thickens up. Boil some rice noodles, and then set those in a bowl. Pour the sauce over the noodles, add the chicken, and then top as desired with fresh mint, Thai basil. Eat and enjoy the easiest dinner that is creamy and delicious. Let's make my 30-minute spicy coconut butter chicken. The first thing you want to do is toss the chicken with some yogurt and spices. Let that sit to marinate a few minutes. Then sear the chicken in a skillet, add some butter, and then pull the chicken out. Add an onion, a ton of spices, some tomato paste, and then pour in a little bit of water. Add some coconut milk to make it really creamy. Toss the chicken back in, and then you want to finish the sauce with some cilantro. Serve it up over steamed rice with a side of buttery, fresh naan, and enjoy. My Thai peanut chicken ramen has been one of my favorite recipes for years. It is so simple to make and so delicious. You can combine everything in one pot, the slow cooker or the instant pot. Hit some coconut milk, garlic, ginger, peanut butter, soy sauce, and then I drop the chicken and bell peppers right into the broth. Let that simmer until the chicken is cooked through. Shred the chicken, stir it back in with a little bit of spinach, and then I drop the ramen noodles right into the broth, so it's super easy and quick. And then you just ladle the broth and noodles into bowls. I love to top with a little bit of lime juice, some chili oil, peanuts, and cilantro. It is so good. Everybody really loves this ramen. Here's how I make my caramel butter cake with extra fudgy chocolate frosting. First thing you want to do is make the cake batter. It's super easy. You just beat your wet ingredients, then add your dry ingredients, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees until it's nice and fluffy. While the cake is baking, make a brown sugar frosting and a fudgy chocolate frosting. Then frost the middle of the cake with that fudgy chocolate frosting, and then put that top layer on, add the caramel frosting, and frost the entire cake. Sprinkle with a little sea salt and chocolate shavings on top, then grab a fork and enjoy every last bite. Here's Here's how you make a grilled vegetable and burrata cheese sandwich. So start with a dressing. You combine the olive oil, honey mustard, lemon juice, champagne vinegar, basil, thyme, garlic, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Now add all the vegetables to a bowl and toss them with that dressing. Grill up the bread, grill up the vegetables, now just assemble. So layer on the zucchini, the peppers, then I do lots and lots of provolone cheese, a little bit of that burrata cheese, it's the best, then some spinach, and drizzle over the remaining dressing. Add the top piece of bread, cut the sandwich up, and enjoy. It's really easy to make, fun for picnics, and just delicious all around. Hope you guys love it.